So you can always search that in Google Maps, no worries. So that's the best stop. I think there'll be the post box there. So it's a 5-minute walk from the university. So I'm going to collect the parcel from the reception, guys. That's my testing kit. COVID testing kit. So reception is 2 blocks away. So this is the view outside. So that there is our reception. So just a little walk. This is the block D and F, I think E.
Alright, just put it down there and I'll look into that. Alright.
So this is a reception.
Alright, okay, fine. See you later. Right.
So guys, we collected the kit. So this is my testing kit. It came 1 day late. So I'm supposed to take in the day 2. Now this is the day 3. So I emailed about them. It was 1 day late. So they wrote it was no problem since the parcel service and everything is late due to the high demand. So there's no problem in that. So I got my parcel from the DHL. It's the COVID testing kit for the day 2. It came a day late. So today is the day 3 and this is the day 2 testing kit. So I emailed them that they said that's no problem because the parcel service and everything is late due to high demand. So this is the day 2 testing kit. I think this is only have 1 testing kit. Day 8 will come later. So let's open this. This is the 1 package, everything genetic. It's the day 2 testing kit. It mentioned here. Day 2 is mentioned here. So that's the 1 package. Oh, we got 2 kit testing kits. So this is the day 2 and this is the day 8. We will be opening it the day 2 now. We are not supposed to open the day 8 testing kit now. So that's it. That's the only thing that came in the package, nothing else. So let's keep that aside. So we'll be opening this day 2 testing kit. So day 8 testing kit we'll be taking it later. So let's open this. So I just opened the day 2 testing kit. So we are supposed to only open the package of the parcel that you get from the courier before taking the swab. Only you are not supposed to open it early. So let's take this out. Let's take everything out. So that's the package. So that's in this thing we have to put the swab. So this is the test kit that we have to send it in. So there is a manual how to do it. So this is the manual. So you can scan this and actually watch in YouTube also. Let me go through this. Guys, you have to read this carefully and go with the plan. So we have to, before collecting the sample, we have to write down the sample barcode number. So there is a, so this is our swab collection. So there is a barcode and try to start with the N. So as they mentioned, I will write down this number. Cross check everything before finalizing. Completed that part. So the next is the collecting of the sample. I washed the hands before opening this package. Now I have to wash it again. This is our swab. This is for our both nasal and throat. First you have to go for the throat, then go for the nasal. Okay, let me wash my hands. Wash your hands before opening this package. This is the throat and nasal. First you have to go for the throat, then the nasal. You have, before that you have to open this container. In this container only you have to send this. Let's open this. First I will go for the throat. We have to peel the other end. So this is the soft end. You are not supposed to touch here. So I open the package. Let's go for the throat as per they suggested. So this is the swab. It's pretty disturbing, guys. Now we'll go for the nostril. Let's open this carefully. You don't, there is a liquid here. You don't want that to spill out. So let's open that carefully. So don't touch this part anywhere. So don't touch the soft end. You have to place it inside. And here is a snapping point. So you just have to snap it here. Now it's safely placed it inside. So that's it, we placed everything inside here. So there is actually a barcode for them to sample. Now I have to place the swab in the safety area, safety that they come with. Securely placed. Let me see what to do the next. Carefully remove the cap of the sample and do not dispense the enclosed liquid. Don't throw the liquid. There is a liquid inside the tube. Don't throw that. Place the sample in the specific area. Check once again before doing that. The screw cap is firmly closed. Yeah, I firmly closed it. Just checking it again. Yeah, I closed the cap it firmly. Place the specific. This is the specific safe plastic case and return the envelope provided and seal securely. So this is the envelope that they provide. Please cross check everything before you sending. So that's it, guys. Placing the correct swab and there is nothing inside here. So that's it. We are going to close this tab. There is nothing to write on the outside. The address is already here. Now we have to open this adhesive and close it. Okay, now I have to call the reception and they will come and collect it from the outside of my room. So that's it. The day 2 testing is over. So I have to wait for about 36 to 24 to 36 hours for the result. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Love you. So we are going to drop my testing kit to the post box. So I asked the reception. So they said I can go it personally, but not to wander anywhere. So they said around here there will be a post box, so you can deposit the sample there. We went all the way to the streets, guys. The post box was here hiding, so let's deposit that. Oh, that's it. See ya, tata. Now we are going back to the university quarantine. Let's go back.